Hi, welcome to Poly English. My name is Teacher Cheche. How about you? What is your name? Oh, hi, Ella. It's nice to meet you today. Can you see and hear me clearly? A great job. So, are you ready for today's lesson? Very good. So, for today, we are going to talk about can only birds fly? Please repeat. Can only birds fly? Very good. So I have here a picture with different animals. What animals do you know? Let's start with the first one. What animal is this? Very good. That's a monkey. How about this animal? Oh, great job. This one is a tiger. How about this big animal right here? Oh, very good. That's an elephant. How about this very tall animal? Very good. That's a giraffe. How about this one? Great job. That's a dog. Can you tell me the sound of a dog? Very good. That's woof, 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 woof. Do you have a pet dog at home? Oh, nice. What's the name of your pet dog? What a nice name, Bruno. Very good. How about this animal? Yes, that's a cat. How about this one? Oh, that's a penguin. Very good. Have you seen a penguin before? Oh, me too. I haven't seen a penguin yet. How about this last animal? Great job. That's a bird. Very good. So since you did a great job, here's a prize for you. An ice cream. Yum. Very good. Let's have look and say. Let me read it first. Hi there. Are you a bird? Yes, I am an owl. Owls are birds. It's now your turn. Please read. Very good. How about the next one? Very good, Ella. Great job. Okay. So again, please say owl. Again, owl. Very good. How about the next one? Please say owls. Yes, owls. Very good. Let's read the sentence. Owls are birds. Please repeat. Very good. Let's drag and say. So this time, the owl has missing wings. Can you drag the right answer to the owl? But before that, let's read the sentence. Owls have got wings. Please repeat. Very good. So this time, you may drag the correct wings to make the owl complete. That's correct. So the correct wings, or the correct pair of wings, is the third pair. Great job, Ella. And for that, you have French fries. Do you eat French fries? Oh, that's nice. These two are my favorite. Okay, very good. So let's watch and say, okay? Let me play the video and let's answer the question later. Okay, so Ella, can owls fly? Yes, that's correct. Owls can fly. Please repeat. Very good. Okay, this time, let's look and read. Please repeat after me. Owls are birds. Your turn. Very good. Owls have got wings. Please repeat. Very good. And for the last sentence, owls can fly. Great job, Ella. And for that, you have a slice of cake. Congratulations. Okay. See you next time, Ella. I hope you enjoyed our class. Bye.